What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of your boy Jabril, and today I'm making a jalapeno white cheddar burger with a very delicious and very yummy Chipotle ranch. So, before I get too far ahead, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that sub and notification button, throw a comment down below, share this with your friends and family. Enjoy the video. Alright, so yes, we are learning voiceover today, but the full recipe will be in the description below. And all this is fat-free sour cream, olive oil mayo, some salt, black pepper, and then onion and garlic powder. And then I used dried chives. You can also use fresh. And then parsley, dried dill. And then I used lemon pepper over lemon juice. It just tasted better. And then, yes, chipotle powder to make it chipotle ranch. And we're going to let this sit in the fridge for about an hour. And then I got some Carb Smart buns. And we're going to chop some fresh jalapenos and thin slice some regular yellow onion. And then I just did those in about half moons, something thin, something quick, easy, cooked fast. And then we're going to head out to the Blackstone where we're going to cook everything. And here I'm using 90-10 ground beef patties, and I'm going to throw them on the grill. And then the cheese that I used was white cheddar, and I just used olive oil to cook everything for the onions and jalapenos. I did not add anything to the jalapenos, but I did add salt and pepper to the onions. And then I toasted my buns because everybody likes toasty buns. And then we're going to head back inside. So let's make this burger, and then I got my thoughts. So I want these two guys. Okay, then I'm gonna add some of my caramelized onions on here. And then some of my jalapenos. Okay, and then the Chipotle ranch. All right, and there you have a jalapeno cheddar burger with a Chipotle ranch. Let's try it out. All right, let's give this a whirl. Oh, I'm excited. Cheers. Wow. All right. So, anywho, it is fantastic. The onions still have a little bit of crunch. The jalapenos, they still have their heat, but it's not aggressive. And the Chipotle ranch kind of adds a little bit of that extra heat back to it, but it's not overpowering because it's still cool and refreshing, and it's got the sour cream and the mayo and everything, so it's not like in your face. And then the cheddar cheese kind of cuts through all of that and adds a little bit of love too as well. And I kind of splurged a little bit with white cheddar just for the recipe, but every now and then it's not the worst cheese in the world. There's worse cheeses out there, but this, and I'm not gonna lie, this ranch recipe is probably my new favorite thing right now, because this alone is beautiful. Wow. But yeah, the ranch is just, you could drink that out of a shoe. The onions are nice, and then the jalapenos just tie it all together, but I'm telling you, healthy food doesn't have to suck. Well, guys, there you have it. A healthy, high-protein, delicious, amazing jalapeno cheddar burger with a very, very good Chipotle ranch. Again, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button. Share this with your friends and family. Throw a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Today, we lost a good one, and it was that burger, because it was delicious, and it didn't stand a chance. No, it did not. No, nope, it was gone. Bye!